What I do with my coat? Oh.
That one way over here?
Yeah.
The yellow cup?
Mhm. If you don't bring me that drink, boy, watch me fall off.
Yeah, you take Princess home.
Mama,
why are you doing that?
So I can
walk around?
Cause I'm too lazy. Thank you.
That'd be very interesting with Princess and Rocky. I wonder how Princess and Cricket would get along.
They get along good.
Cricket don't like other animals though.
She does too.
Does she? She loves them. I thought she fights blood all the time.
No. And you ought to see her and Sam play. And then, I don't know what happened.
Papa in the bathroom together?
Y'all get out of that bathroom.
Y'all cut that
Y'all in there together. Cut that out.
My Princess wants you.
Shower ain't big enough. That shower ain't big enough for both of y'all.
They probably can't hear a word.
I paid for all that rest of the day.
No.
Sam and Cricket was playing, and I don't know. Do you know what happened? Anyway, all of a sudden.
Sam was licking Cricket, and in a spot.
I remember. And she did something to him.
Yeah.
She
got to get out of that.
She started getting on him like he ain't supposed to do, you know. Oh, I had this thing going too. It's gonna get everything I said. And you and Papa.
You and Papa are missing.
Well, I tell you what, he's a better man than I thought he was. He's gone to the store.
Oh, when did he get gone to the store?
We got to shut up, Jack.
Oh. I thought I was back there in the shower.
So he didn't get here, nothing I said. All that effort. And took the chance on top of that.
It's okay, she got it all on film.
I thought that payback, you know what.
I know. Anyway.
With a little bit of editing and stuff, that could be a good tape.
Finish the story.
Anyway, all of a sudden, Cricket and Sam, it was mostly Sam, growled, and then both of them growled a little bit, and then Cricket went over there and gave Sam sugar, stuck her nose to him, and everything was fine. They went right on up the hall together. Did you see the videos on there of them, Sam and Cricket playing? You didn't look at them. You was looking for that one.
I wanted to see what you and Daddy was getting into.
Believe me, I'll never on purpose put anything on there like that.
I want to see if y'all were talking about anybody and forgot the camera was going.
We did that one time, but I can't remember what we was talking.
Can't burn nothing in that.
So I think I took the sound off. And Daddy said, we're going to have to be careful of that. I said, yeah. Just because she knows the truth.
What chicken sandwich with lettuce and tomatoes and everything?
I thought he was asking you that and then giving you a taste or a smell of something. He's fixing you something to eat.
Yeah, he knows I don't like breakfast.
And he also knows that if he don't fix it for you, you won't eat. When? Now, Timon, I went over here to get your face and you turned around the other way. Timon. Shake it. Timon. Shake. Oh, shake.
Grin.
Shake. I love that grin. He looks like that little, that baby that played on Look Who's Talking. That's who he looks like.
When he grins?
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't remember how that.
His name is Mikey, ain't it?
I can't remember how he looked. I thought Timmy was cute.
Timmy. Shake it.
I guess he's just a little blonde-headed boy. I like him like blonde-headed.
Join the club. Timon, I'm glad you wasn't blonde-headed.
Well, I had to pick the perfect daddy to make sure he wasn't blonde.
Yeah, true. Of course, he still stood a good chance of being blonde-headed.
Not that blonde, though. I don't think he'd be that blonde.
Well, my daddy was jet black-headed. Jet black. Part Indian. And I was like a snow, and so was the boys. Couldn't even see our hair in pictures.
I'm so sorry that I was mentioning you for you.
That's what she gets aggravated when her tail does that?
Yeah. All of them do that when their tails wag. They're going after something or they're aggravated. Okay, so Rocky lays on the stool, half asleep. He's concentrating on something. Probably listening to y'all. Unless he's dreaming. Mine don't do that in their sleep. Mine do it when they get aggravated or they're going after something. Y'all gotta see Duchess play dead. Look at Rat will go after her to pick on her, she'll just fall over.
That's 'cause she knows what he's going to do to her. I didn't think these stretch things would get bigger and bigger, but they do.
What you doing with your sippy cup?
Mhm.
I think that's his job.
That's all he does is suck on the glass. And whatever else he can suck on.
This thing's leaking. There's a snail in there somewhere. One of them shells, them little cone-like shell things.
You see what he was doing? He was sitting there tapping his knees, waiting for you to get through.
Oh.
Watching the TV just like this.
Oh. Hey, look, he acts so grown sometimes.
Mhm.
Where's his little hairbrush?
Oh, what's they got in there?
They got your van. That's got your van. Whoa. You wanna go see your van?
A cricket would have time with that after she got unscared of it.
Smaller than this red one, small.
That is so cute. I hadn't seen those before. Yeah, what's it called? You don't know?
He's grinning at Can't keep up with him.
Uh-uh.
You can take the baby. Free is the baby. Where's the other baby? Right over there by Mama.
Hey, let's don't get limp-wristed now.
He's walking around like that, doing like this. Oh, with his hands out in front of him.
That's all right if he does both of them. That's the baby. But let's not have none of that one-handed stuff.
Yeah, I told his daddy I was going to get him one of them pink Barbie bags.
There was a toy in Walmart, a ride-em motorcycle. It was a motorcycle. I wanted to get it